All right, boys and girls. So this is your warm-up number 1 for this week. The digit 9 in which number represents a value of 900,000. So we're looking at the place value of every 9 that we see. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to circle those important numbers, that 9 and each place value in that my answer choices. I can see an A that is in the ones place. So that's worth 9 ones, not 900,000. So I'm going to start eliminating my choices. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So here in B, that 9 is worth 900,000. In A, it was only worth 9. So this may be my answer. Again, in C, it is in the ones place, it's only worth 9. And then in D, it's in the one, tens, hundreds place, so it's worth 900. So we should have chosen B for our answer. The next one, find the sum of the two numbers. You should have lined those up according to their place values. Make sure all your ones are together, your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, and 10,000s. Then start adding. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 5 is 10. So I'm going to put my 0, and I'm going to carry this one over to the next place value to add to the hundreds place. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more makes 6. Bring my comma down to separate those periods of numbers. Now start in my thousands period. 9 plus 5 is 14, so I'm going to put my 4 and carry my 1 up to the next place value. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus the 1 I carried makes 11, so I'm going to put my 1 and carry that 10 over to the next place value to add to the 5. Now I have 500,000 plus 1 makes 600,000, 14, 603. Number 3, which sign makes this statement true? The greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So I like to rewrite my numbers and make sure my place values are lined up before I start comparing. And the strategy I like to use is same or different. Since they both have the same number of digits through the thousands place, I'm going to start on the highest place value and say, oh, they're the same. But then the next place value, the hundreds place, is different. And I can see that this 6 is larger than this 2. So the 6 here is greater than the 2 here. All right, estimate the difference by rounding each number. So I'm going to look to the highest place value, and I can see in the highest place value they have the same value, right? They both go through the 10,000s place. So I'm going to round both of these numbers to the nearest 10,000. I know 5 or more, I should raise the score. So 5 would tell 2 to become a 3, and I'm going to replace that with zeros to estimate. So this is 30,000. 5 or more is going to tell that 1 to come up to a 2, so it's closer to 20,000. And if I subtract to find a quick estimated difference, 30 minus 20,000 gives me 10,000. Last one, which expression is equal to 3,345? Break those place values apart. That 5 is worth 5 ones, plus my 4 is worth 4 tens, which is 40, plus my 3 is worth 300, so 300s, plus that 3 in the thousands place makes 3,000. So you should have 3,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. And let's see. Okay, this one doesn't match. 3,345. Ah, this one does. 3,000 does not have 300. This one does not have 3,000. So you should have eliminated your choices to find that B should have been your answer. And that is your warm-up review for Monday.